How to add motion blur in Capcut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur in Capcut PC. This effect is perfect for making transitions smoother or adding a cinematic touch to your videos. And let's dive in. Open Capcut on your PC and start a new project. Import your video by clicking the Import button and drag it onto the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline where you want to add the motion blur effect. Click on the Effects tab from the toolbar at the top of the screen. In the Effects library, search for motion blur. Select the motion blur effect and click Add or drag it onto the timeline above your video clip. Adjust the intensity and duration of the effect by selecting the motion blur layer and modifying its properties in the Settings panel. Fine-tune the parameters, such as blur strength and direction, to match the desired look. Preview the video to ensure the motion blur effect is applied correctly and enhances your video. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. And that's how you add motion blur in Capcut PC. It's a simple way to elevate the quality of your videos and make them look more dynamic. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.